Hello family, welcome back. We got another jam, that is Mother Bird's pineapple jam, and it cost 27 rupees for 100 gram. Okay, let's check and review this Mother Bird's pineapple flavor jam. Okay friends, it looks like a hard jelly type, but this one is smooth and can easily spread over the bread. And it smells good like pineapple squash and tastes really good like a pulpy pineapple taste with a more sweet. More pineapple pulp is there in this jam. We can feel it, that pulpy taste with more pineapple fibers or chunks. And they also added food color and flavors in this jam. Our rating will be 7.8 out of 10.